This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And on the big show today, we've got, not that, that's not happening. This is happening right now. We've got this. This was sent by my buddy Kian from, I think he's from Ireland, and he went on vacation to Brazil. And he sent me a bunch of noodles, which is like super awesome. Thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. This is Baixiang Big Bone Noodle Soup? Pork flavor? Yeah. And it's from China. And this is definitely a product usually sold in China. No cooking instructions. So the standard 500 milliliters of liquid on this one. So you just throw it all in and give it 3 minutes. That's kind of the deal. Noodle block. Got some pretty munched up stuff in here, so. He sent some really, really cool noodles. So what's been going on with me? I've been ill. I've been rather ill. And I have not enjoyed that aspect of my time on Earth lately so much. But it's getting better all the time. Better. Yeah, like last night, oh man, I've been like coughing and hacking. My daughter brought home a nice little cold. And yeah, I've just been coughing and hacking and just feeling like garbage. And like, oh man, I've been sneezing. And I'm not a sneezy kind of guy. And just sneezing so much. And every time I cough, it just feels like somebody just punched me in the ribs. It's horrible. But today I woke up and I felt like death warmed over. And then I had my obligatory, what did I take? I took a Tylenol. I haven't been taking any like cold medicine. I had a Tylenol. I had my extremely caffeinated beverage. There we go. And we're gonna do 3 minutes on that. And took the kids out to the bus and was just like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try today. Because the last 2 days I haven't gone out walking for nothing. And today I decided, let's give it a try, and I did, what, 8 miles, something like that? So I'm pretty happy about that. What the hell are we listening to? It's not 1982. But yeah, it went good. I'm really happy. I played my game when I was out. Oh, we got the air quality back again. The air quality was really bad a week or two ago, and I went out and shot some video. You might have seen the intros and outros change with like pictures of the sun and stuff like that. That's when the air quality index hit like around 200. When I just got back, it said it was like 170, which is pretty high. In fact, we got an email from the school district saying, yeah, so at your kids' school, they're going to stay inside for PE and for recess today because of that bad air quality. It's like, probably just fine. So yeah. But yeah, I'm stoked. I got out. I did stuff. It like kills me when I don't get out and do junk. But yeah, you hear that. It's just gross. Hacked up a bunch of stuff this morning and yeah. But once I get going, I feel great. It's like, I'm out walking, I'm doing something, I'm exercising. Getting the juices flowing. Gotta get those juices flowing. I gotta plug in the Rotato unit. There we go. And this is got a minute left. Okay. So we got you. There's your bowl. There's an egg. No, I'm not gonna use the egg in this one. And that's what I'm grabbing. And here are garnish essentials. Yeah, it's just been like hawking up funky, gross. My eyes were like just all gooey and sticky and gross. Yeah, no bueno, no fun. I don't like getting sick. And honestly, this is the sickest. I feel like this cold that I've gotten, I felt worse than when I had COVID. Honestly. Like, when I had COVID, I went to the ICU and all that. And that was lame, and that sucked. But I never felt all that crummy. I mean, I felt crummy because I had a blood clot in my lung, and I was getting, like, not enough oxygen. But not, like, when I got sick, I just felt like, yuck. But not like this. This was rough. Did the test. Negatory. All right, so here is our special pork noodle soup. Got in Brazil. So, manufactured in China, sent to Brazil, and then sent here by somebody from Ireland. Or his girlfriend, or his wife. I don't know. But hope you had a good time, man. Really appreciate it. It's not bad. It's not extremely salty. Kind of mellow. I like that. Here's our noodle. Now, that's about what I expected. It's pretty good. It's not extreme. It's not like overboard. It says, "Hey, how you doing? Come and eat this." Yeah. But it's not saying like, "Hey, I'm a salt vampire. I'm going crazy on you." Okay, can you see that? God, oh, what did I watch yesterday? Last night we watched this. They do these things called drop tests to show how different really expensive cell phones do if they are, say, dropped onto concrete or steel plate or stuff like that. It's like, oh my God. My wife's like, that just seems like a real waste. It's like, well, if you work in some kind of thing where or you're a chronic phone dropper, that might be data if you're looking for something really, really, really sturdy. But my phone and the new iPhone, they tied. There was only one thing that the iPhone did better in that the S22 didn't, and one thing that the S22 did better in that the iPhone didn't. So, no big deal. Oh, but I made the, yeah. Do I want to use that for that? I don't know. This is kind of an unremarkable one. I'm going to be honest. It's not like, wow, look at that. Zing, zing, zing. I don't think I'm going to use that in this. I think I'll use that in the last one. I'm down to my last slice of chashu, and I want to use it for a good one. And I think I'm going to use it on a Taiwanese one, which you'll be an episode you'll either see in 2 days. It might have to get rushed, actually. I asked the company, I'm really far ahead, and I've got videos that aren't going to come out until like late Jan, or posts that won't come out until like late January or early February. So you got a time limit on how long this product's going to be available, because it's a tie-in. So, whoa. How's that? I'll go with that. I'm kind of under a times crunch today, so let's let Rotato go and we'll get going. y'all. Thank you very much for watching. So, either the next one you're going to see is what I'm about to show you, or it's already been posted. So if you want to see that one, look it up, the Ramen Raider Shin Gold. Because this one just came out. People are really interested in it. When that happens, I like to push those forward a bit. So that may be already posted when you finally see this one. So yeah. But if not, you'll see something different tomorrow. And yeah, okay, alright, cool. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Go check out the Ramen Raider guy on Twitch, if you like Twitch. Follow it, because the more followers I get, the more chance that I'll do live streams and stuff. So, yeah. Alright, have a good one. Bye.